The day has finally come where you're getting that new carpet. The installers arrive and you're excited. You go out there to verify the color of that carpet and you look at it and it is not the right color. You don't think that's going to work in your home. It's rare, but it actually just happened this morning. So I'll tell you how we handle it. We need to verify that the manufacturer sent the right product. So I hop in the van, grab our carpet board, and I'm gonna go out there and verify the carpet. The carpet, we get on site and we check the color. This is what they chose. That is spot on. And so now that I've got the carpet verified, I kind of know what the issue is going to be. It's overcast today, so that's going to throw a gray hue on everything. So I'm going to take that sample, go into the home, and show them what it's going to look like in the home. And you can see how the color changes from outside to inside the home with the home's natural lighting. Fortunately for our client, we offer a love your carpet guarantee. Look, if you don't like the color that you selected, within 30 days of us doing the installation, we will offer to replace that carpet with another color free of charge. We want to make sure that the carpets that we install, one, are going to last you decades, and two, that you're going to love it.